How do the Nordic Green Growth projects on waste management fit into the new agenda on circular economy?
Well, it fits in very well. We have also realized in the Nordic Council of Ministers Group for Waste that we have limited resources in the world and that we have to use our resources in a smarter way. So we cannot produce waste that is not recycled, and first of all we have to focus on how not to produce so much waste and focus on reuse. So these projects fit in very well. We pick out two waste streams that we are quite low in the waste hierarchy. It's plastic waste. A lot of plastic waste goes to incineration in the Nordic countries. We lose valuable resources, but also green jobs that could have been created if we used it for recycling or reuse. We also focus on textile waste, where we have no legislation, and by this we will provide a greater decision base, not only for the Nordic governments but also for other countries in Europe, how to use textile waste as a resource. In this we not only have to focus on producing textiles in a more efficient way, they should be reusable, recyclable, higher durability, but we also have to look at our lifestyles and our consumer patterns. So this all fits very well into the green growth concept.
How about food waste? There's a lot of focus on that.
That's another important area for the Nordic countries. We have provided a lot of knowledge by producing reports and looking into this issue. Why is food wasted in the different stages of the food chain, and what measures could be taken to prevent food waste? We're also part of the Fusion platform in this work, and this also fits very well into the green growth concept, of course. In this area we work together, the Nordic countries, with similar strategies to prevent food waste.
So what future do you see for the agenda on circular economy, and how can the Nordic countries make a difference?
I see that the future agenda is that all countries have to go on this path for a circular economy, and the Nordic Council of Ministers, we can help by providing platforms, a knowledge base, and also by bringing all the stakeholders together. We can bring up good examples on companies that already have started to change into the circular economy, and we also have to provide a good knowledge base for the right policy decisions for the governments, because we need some push from legislation in this area.